shit, bitch. Oh, y'all gonna love this. This, ooh, it's getting juice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Where my shit? Where my shit? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where my shit? Okay. Ooh. Okay, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bird. I am an entertainer, I am an actress, singer, entrepreneur, all of the above, just jack of trades. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Welcome back if you already are a subscriber. But I'm just trying to make this quick because I am so excited. In case you are new here, like I said before, this is the reviews for Picz Be Still, brought to you by Victory Productions in association with Film Architectz. And I am so excited because we had just previously concluded with seasons 1 and 2. Links down in the description box if you don't know what I'm talking about. I just pulled up season 3, and season 3 has extended episodes. Also, it has 5 episodes. And it is a crossover episode with a whole other show called What's Your Chocolate that is already located on YouTube. Links in the description box down there below if you want to get caught up on that, because that's going to be the next show that I'm actually going to binge watch, okay? And we're going to actually go from beginning to end on that one too. But we're just right here. I'm just excited about looking at this because when I saw the actual duration of the episodes and then also saw that it was 5 episodes this season, I was just like, yes, I talk a lot. I do extensive reviews, so there will be 2 versions. There will be a short version that is like 10 minutes or less for those of you who just like to come in, get in, and get out. The links are down in the description box because I get it. When you haven't seen something, you don't necessarily want to hear commentary. You don't want to hear anybody else's opinion on it. You want to watch it yourself. So that's why the links are down there in the box. But if you've already seen it, or if you are here, you came specifically to hear my voice, to see my reviews, to see my reaction, and I appreciate you coming. I do have full-fledged warnings all throughout the video, okay? But just in case, here's a big old fat one. In this video, spoilers, cussing, fussing, sipping, smoke. Let's not stay stuck on that because I'm grown, okay? All right? That's it. That's it. I'm grown. And we're not even going to worry about the rest of it, okay? But either way, I just want to go ahead and get into this episode. Thank you so much. Love you guys. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me, and I appreciate you so much for that. Y'all can't take this new intro here. Uh-oh. Oh, everybody got new graphics this year. We got real bougie. I see what you're doing here. Come on everybody. And it's still rated TV MA. See, that's what I'm talking about. I like all that freaky shit.
Previously on Picz Be Still.
Yeah. She's still dead.
No, Kenny, I can't because I'm pregnant with our baby.
Where the fuck you think you going, Chloe? It's my motherfucking baby. You're supposed to make Kane think this his baby.
I killed Chloe St. Clair.
See? He fell forward, but then he was on his back, and I didn't get it.
Oh, by the way, how's
The
our
wife
son
and the
doing?
dog. How is our son?
I got you. Remember, I want to help you.
How?
Get this Aquafina. You're dehydrated.
Hey, you slick. Give me my money, Kane.
I don't have your money.
You got my money. Give it here.
Abel, I don't have your damn money.
Give me my fucking money.
I don't have your damn money, Abel.
What? Wow. So Abel about killed Cain when they was... Oh, that's why the daddy be like you the devil.
Hey, y'all cut that shit out! I want 2 more damn lady to come on to this
out of here.
I'm tired of him always taking my stuff.
Boy, you know you an evil child. What I tell you about taking shit don't belong to you? Get your ass in. I got something for you. No!
Oh, shit.
No, Daddy, please. Please.
Oh, no. No.
Daddy, please. No. Shut up while you do something to cry about.
What? You just did.
You gotta learn to control your anger, son.
What?
You got the devil in you, boy. And if you don't learn to control that anger, it's gonna put you in a world of hurt.
They daddy definitely in hell. Definitely. Like what? You come in and see your child choking out your other child. You take the child that was getting choked out. You burn his hand on the eye of the stove. After you tell him he's evil. Then you go over to the other child that watched you do it with a smile on her face. You got the devil in you, boy. What? It's Satan. It's Satan running around and he's running amok.
Now playing the role of Jeremiah Steele is Patrick Vanessa Johnson.
Oh. I love the announcement. Some younger than the rest.
And the truth will set you free.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
I tell you the truth. Everyone who sins is a slave of sin.
Very much the past then.
A slave is not a permanent member of the family, but a son is part of the family forever. So if the son sets you free, you are truly free. You will love me because I have come to you from God.
Oh,
I am not here on my own, but he sent me. Why can't you understand what I am saying?
Nay.
I don't give a damn what it takes. I want those expenditures on my desk in 1 hour, or you can take your ass to the unemployment line.
Oh, Lord, there she goes.
That's my big sis.
Yep.
Kicking ass and taking names.
Threatening folks.
What is it with you people going away and then coming back looking completely different? You know, never mind all that. Give me a hug.
They tried it.
What the hell is this Goliath looking nigga back here?
Oh, yeah. This is my head of security, Makai. Makai, this is my brother Jeremiah.
Nice to meet you.
So full of shit, Kane. Always trying to take what's mine.
Try? Listen, I don't try to do shit. Okay? I do. And I get what I want. Especially if it means taking it from your ass.
Lord.
Alright. We're gonna see what Pops got to say about this thing.
Alright, we're gonna see what Pops has to say about this. Go ahead and run to Dad like you always do. Like the little bitch that you are.
Y'all been abused. Just abused babies.
It's not like he's your real father.
What you just say?
Is it true? Huh? What are you talking about? Kane said you were my real father. Son, it is true. I'm not your biological father. But that don't even matter to me. You're my son. You're my firstborn son. And with you, I'm well pleased.
Didn't go like he thought, huh?
So look at all this. One day, all of this is gonna be yours.
Awkward.
City Commissioner Kyle Richards has died. According to officials, Richards died of an aneurysm.
Oh,
Trust me.
did it.
it all work out.
You did it.
This comes weeks after authorities say Richards was brutally attacked in what appeared to be a home invasion.
I am very hurt by the passing of Commissioner Richards. He is a good man, a good leader, and a good friend.
Oh, Lord.
You good? Yeah, I'm good. Chill to make things even better.
Now you got a whole nother.
Advertisers are dropping out. Employees have quit, including our brother Asher. You know, overall, Steel Publications is losing money.
No. Remember, we're no longer Steel Publications. We are Steel Industries.
Oh, girl.
Changing names is gonna make anything better?
It ain't.
It gives us a better perception in the public eye. Steel Publications is tainted thanks to that brother of ours. Steel Industries gives us a whole new look.
You need to get real, sis, if you want things to change around here.
I already have a plan.
Yeah. Welcome back.
What?
How was Paris?
Well, it was nice.
Who cares? Abby, we need to talk. Alone.
I'm out of here. Good luck with Hurricane Bitch over here.
Oh!
And this bitch will knock you the hell out. Keep playing with me.
What's going on?
A lot to think about. You know, from me stealing money from the company to pay off my gambling debt, killing Trevor,
That you ain't paid back? That you ain't
then
went to jail
hiding the
for?
truth about, you know. I just feel like there's this huge burden that's just weighing on my chest.
You.
It's her.
Well, you know you always have my support. I've got your back, no matter what.
Thanks, Brittany, but there's only one thing left to do at this point, and I gotta tell the truth.
But that way you feeling is really hurt. She need to get up.
How dare you storm in my office like this?
Ooh, how dare I? Bitch, please. I'm the reason you have this office and the position as CEO.
Keep your voice down.
You may be able to tell these mindless minions what to do, but you can't make me do shit. Now, you promised me an executive position with this company if I help you frame Kane for Chloe's murder.
I don't recall.
Well, maybe your memory might return when I go down to the police station and tell them the truth.
So you're willing to give up your own brother then? That's right, because he confessed to killing Chloe. He confessed to me, and you knew about it this whole time. Remember? That's what you told me when we allegedly came up with the plan to frame Kane. So that would kind of make you an accessory, right?
I'm so tired of you motherfuckers. Look, I just want what's mine, all right?
What's yours?
What the hell are you talking about?
Your father. He stole Steel Publications from my father. That son of a bitch swindled everything from my father. This shit should be mine.
When? Are you finished? Look, your shoulda, coulda, wouldas ain't got shit to do with me, sweetheart. My father took when he wanted, creating this lovely empire for me and my family.
Your father was a thief.
And your father was weak. Hence, here I am. And there you are, begging for the scraps off my table.
When I find Trevor...
Trevor's gone. And he's not coming back. And if he knows what's good for him, he'll stay where he is. Wherever that is. Don't you have a tragedy to reflect on today? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh.
I tell you what, go get yourself a bottle or 10 on me.
Oh.
It's your dumb ass.
You ain't really do that.
Did I ever tell you that Steel Publications is supposed to belong to me? Our father actually wanted me to run the company.
So, why aren't you? Come on, Pastor. Oh, Lord. Oh, that's why.
If it isn't our father's firstborn, who he's oh so pleased with, in here fucking our father's girlfriend.
Kane, I can explain.
There's no need to explain that. I know exactly how sex works.
Oh, man. Mm-hmm.
What do you want?
What do I want? See, I want all of this. Yeah. And he offers you the keys to the kingdom? You're gonna decline.
Drinking at the cemetery ain't never been good.
Happy birthday, my sweet baby. If I would have carried you to term, today would have been your.
Oh, it's cold out there.
Is it crazy? Is it crazy that I still have the pregnancy test?
Oh. Oh. I feel bad now. I feel bad.
I'm pregnant.
Wow.
We're gonna be parents. I want to be a mom. You're gonna be a dad.
Oh.
Wait, no, please stop.
Oh, man, no. Oh, no. What is going on? So they was beating her up? That was them beating her up?
Just let me do it. I can do it.
They need to be in the hospital, recovering, like, oh, that's rough. Some stranger got on all dark clothes. Never mind me. You know me, everybody is treacherous on this show.
My sister, she's in total denial about the shape of this company. It's crazy.
Jeremiah Steele.
Uh-oh.
Look, man, I gotta go.
Yep.
I'll talk to you later. Mrs. Albright.
Ella.
Ella? How are you? And how's Mr. Albright doing?
Who knows? Who cares? He's out of town on business. Me, on the other hand, I'm well. But I'd be better had I known you were back in town. You should give me a call sometime. I'd love to have you come over.
Oh! Cut it out. Cut it out now.
There he is. What you doing back here? Oh, you come to your senses and you're trying to get your job back?
I really need to talk to you.
Whatever you gotta say, I'm sure it can wait. We have pressing matters we have to deal with. Now, let's go talk to Abby, bro.
Look, see, that's the thing. I'm not your brother.
Huh?
What did you say?
I'm not your brother. We are not brothers.
What?
What are you talking about? What the hell is going on here, Asher?
And why are you saying this now?
the truth is that I'm not your brother. I'm your father.
What? Everybody know but you. And us, apparently. We ain't know till now. I'm perplexed. That's a whole different bottle. It's like she mixing liquors and stuff. That's rough. Who that? We still in jail. Uh-oh.
Karen still. Maxwell Crawford.
Gotta hang on to that name. Maxwell Crawford. It's important. Oh, and it's the end. So it really is important. Well, this was jazzy. We jazzed this right on up. So that was a cute little pump fake with the pregnancy test, and she was wearing the hell out that suit. But therefore, I want to know who at the door now, because what's up? Maxwell Crawford. Okay, so this got to be from What's Your Chocolate? I'm going to get into that. I promise I'm going to do a binge watch. I need to know the whole family tree. I need to see the whole family tree for proof now. Because what? Jeremiah is your son? Like, this is what you have to tell? Forget the fact we've killed somebody. We killed 2 people already. We got this heavy woman on our chest talking to us. That's what was on your chest. Now is the time to reveal after all these years that, hey, little brother, you're not my brother. We're not brothers. What are we? We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum. But we are not brothers. You my daddy? No, for real. You are my daddy? I might have took that to the grave. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Was you expecting that? Because I wasn't expecting that. Leave it in the comments. We see now that the pastor is on his way back after, because of course pussy cures everything. He's pure, he's clean, he's cleansed. And now he's ready to take over the world and get his company back that rightfully belongs to him. Like, everybody feels like the company belongs to them, and this company low-key is trash. It's you might as well just put it in the bin and start over. Talking about steel industries. Girl, you done set your whole brother up and the company up for a whole full failure. You're welcome. You're welcome. Choices. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is the final season that we are embarking on, which would give to reason to why we're getting longer episodes. And it's a crossover season too, so it's going to cross over with a whole other series, which is exciting. I can't wait to get into What's Your Chocolate. Like, it's been out for quite some time. It's on YouTube. Link down in the description box to go ahead and catch up on that. Link down in the description box to catch up on Picz Be Still seasons 1, 2, and 3. You can rent it for $2. You can buy it for $5 the whole season, and then it'll be done. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. My social media handles are also down in the description. But I do thank you guys so much for taking the time out and actually clicking on this video and watching and reacting with me. And I just appreciate your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. And I thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. Alright? Y'all take care. On purpose.